How's it going? Coming off the back of a super hot episode in Belair. We're here in Quezon province. Got in late last night, not much sleep, but we're pumped and we're ready to go.
Yeah, it was a pretty crazy journey. We managed to get everything ready pretty late last night. We only got here at like 4 in the morning. Just made ourselves some coffee, and yeah, what have we got in store for today?
Look, I don't really know the answer to that question, to be honest. Thanks for throwing over to me, man. Basically, guys, we're going to be essentially checking out some islands, going to some waterfalls, mountains. We don't really know yet. Let's just keep it, flowing and see what happens. Anything could happen. And we're about to take the boat out and standing here next to my trusty pole, not letting go. Here's Ed by my side. You can't see me because I'm looking through a whole bunch of air right now. So, What's up, ladies and gentlemen?
Hey guys, just been traveling for about an hour on the boat. Pretty nice, pretty fucking chill. Beautiful white sands, bit of a choppy ride here. We're going to check out a few more places, but check out this place. We've got some
what's the name of this
canopies.
place? Barawan.
What did you say, dude? What's it called? Barawan.
Barawan.
Sister island of Baraka. Not really. It's the local version of Baraka, I'd say.
So come join us. We're just gonna check out the other bend, and then we might chill at one of these huts for a bit, and then maybe hop on to the next island. Making our way back, and then we spotted this place. We have no idea what the fuck it is, but we thought we'd come and check it out. And I thought I had, I was like, yeah, fuck. Oh.
Good morning, mates and parties. We are here at Pagbilao makeshift train station. I'm with the crew. We're about to jump on some of these trolleys. They look pretty cool.
It's crazy. We've just watched this guy over here. I can spin around quickly. He's just literally picked this trolley up out of that garage there. Just placed it on the track. It's just behind Leader. We've just seen people flying past. Some are pushed on their feet. Some are being carried by their engines and stuff. But it's pretty fucking nuts. So we're gonna ride this down the river and see what we can find. Yo, so just spoke to the locals. We've got one of two options with the road.
Alright, hit me.
There's a long version, which is going to take us roughly around an hour and a half to get there. Or there's the slightly ropier, more direct route. Well, apparently because of the rain, dude. Like the rain, it's just like washed out the road. There's potholes left, right, and rhubarb. So,
look, to be honest, this is a Ranger. We got this shit.
You reckon?
This is a Ford Ranger, bro.
Yeah, it can handle it.
This is a Ford Ranger.
It can handle it. Oi, mate, it's a Ranger.
It's a ranger.
All right, cool.
I didn't even.
Ranger.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's rearrange her.
Let's rearrange her.
All right.
Hashtag rearranger. The sound system is fucking incredible. So yeah, we're gonna go check out some mangroves. What do you reckon, bro?
Yeah. Oh, let's go.
Let's do it. To mangroves.
Nature, dude. They say match the butterflies, bro. This is evidence of that.
Look at his eyes, man.
I call. Oh! Yo, he fucking pooed on my shirt.
Local tastes of Pagbilao.
We are here at a mountain of an undisclosed name. I can't remember.
Atimonan.
Awesome journey here. A little bit ropey at times, but we had the rangers, so it was
Oh,
super smooth.
this walk is Philly long, I believe.
Yeah, it's
It's gonna take about an hour. Alright guys, we're going up the mountain. Woo! Guys, do yourselves a favor
Get a
and
Ford Ranger.
get a Ford Ranger. It's kind of like starfruit.
Ang ganda ng lugar.
Napakaganda ng view dito. Dapat yung subukan na umakyat dito.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our second episode of Lost in the Philippines.
So guys, yeah, how's the weekend?
Isa sa pinaka-the best na weekend.
I know that one.
Pinaka-the best. Ang travel naman, hindi magiging sobrang saya. Hindi dahil lang sa lugar, but also the people na you're with.
I like that.
Awesome.
Tsaka lastly, ang sarap ng pagkain. Never hungry.
Okay, well that's good. That's good. We like to eat as well.
Yeah.
What about you, bro?
Honestly, these three guys, they are totally fun. Salute you guys.
Cheers.
Yes.
And the crew has been fucking amazing, man. So
And yeah, big shout
yeah,
out to the crew.
it's a team effort. And the,
Yeah.
And also,
Itong Sabado,
oh yeah, you go.
itong chunk of land. Laging fully loaded. Lost in the Philippines. Talagang malolos kayo. From day one till the end.
Yo, and there is one more thing. Like, we couldn't have done this trip without Ford. They hooked us up with 2 Rangers. Fantastic vehicles. We managed to fit everything that we could in there. Let's get lost in the Philippines.
See you there, guys.
Peace.
Bye!
Bye.
Ingat!